Hey folks, today we're showcasing some footage from our friends over at the YouTube channel Doctor's Hub. Take a look. Although not specifically microscope footage, it tends to get close enough. This is an extreme case of chickenpox. Normally thought of as a childhood disease, chickenpox is highly contagious and can be spread through the air. It tends to be much worse when contracted as an adult and can come with complications such as pneumonia or brain inflammation. Here we have a case of cellulitis in the foot and leg. Cellulitis is a common bacterial skin infection associated with red swollen areas that are hot and tender to the touch. It's usually painful and can spread to the lymph nodes and bloodstream and become life-threatening if the infection isn't treated properly. And this clip is photocontact dermatitis. This happens when certain chemicals combine with ultraviolet light to produce a reaction, such as these ulcerative lesions. The chemicals that cause this can range from simple perfumes and soaps to things like varnish and lacquer. The man you see here was working with plaster. So there you go, just a small sample of what you might see at the Doctor's Hub. The titles and descriptions are all in English, but there are also several educational videos that are written and spoken in Urdu. So check it out, there's a lot of interesting material over at the Doctor's Hub. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and hit that like button. We'll keep bringing you new content all the time. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.
Hi, I've been using RESTMORE for a few weeks. Helps me relax a lot. I really like it. I sleep soundly through the whole night, and I recommend it to everyone, so try the product RESTMORE.
RESTMORE is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't.